Hi, my name is Kate, and this is the Ospel Elf 1/2 inch 3-ring binder. Inside, you can see that there is a pocket, 5 different tabs, and stickers to come to label your tabs. Let's take a look inside. This is the pink marble option. It has elastic closure and a clip right on the front, nice and strong. Open it up, and you can see that it has reinforced gold corners that match all the other gold fixings that's on here. Inside, you've got your 3 different rings, your pocket pouch. These are your stickers that you can place on top of each of your labels for your tabs. And you've got 6 different dividers in here. And it fits perfect for a sheet of printer paper, 8.5 by 11, 3-hole punched right inside. Nice and narrow profile and stays secure. If you are someone that enjoys staying organized and writing things down, I highly recommend this 3-ring binder.